Okay, this is my new Recording King. It's called an RO, it's a triple O, 342. It's got abalone binding. It's got a 30-year aged Adirondack spruce top. It's got rosewood back and sides, ebony bridge, bone saddle, bone nut, and it's got ivory binding. It may be a fake ivory, but it looks really good. And brand new, I mean, just today, I lowered the action just a little bit. I might be doing it some more. And I sanded the saddle, lowered the saddle a little bit, might do that a little bit more. And these are not the greatest strings. They were the ones that came on it. But it has a really big sound for a small guitar, small-bodied guitar. And it is everything I thought it would be. I researched these things for a long time. Unreal. And it's a blue chip pick, and this pick's unreal. Pick makes a big difference. Put new strings on it, I'll be going back with Elixir Nanowebs, and I usually use mediums on my other guitars, my Martin and my Old Guild and other guitars and Taylor. But on this one, I may go to mediums. I'm going to ask a few people what they think, and I mean, I think it would handle either, but I may go with light. Wow. Huge sound right out of the box. And I've never had a guitar this small, but I wanted one. I wanted the rosewood. I've got a Martin D18, which I love, and a 50-year-old Gill D25, which I bought new in 1974. Both sound great. And there's a Taylor that my son-in-law has now. That's a Taylor 410, which is a great guitar. Love it, let us love one another. Love is of God. Everyone that loveth is born of God, and knoweth God now. He that loveth not, knoweth not God, for God is love. God is love, so beloved, let us love one another. 1 John 4:7-8. So beloved, let us love one another. 1 John 4:7-8. The neck on this is what they call a V-neck. You can see a little bit of the way the light's reflecting off of it. It's a different shaped neck. It's not bad, it's just different. And I don't have a guitar that's got this kind of neck. And take a little getting used to, but I'm sure I will. I may take a little steel wool and soften the sheen on the back of this, some triple aught or quad aught, whatever, the finest I could get, and it'll make it a little less sticky, make it a little slicker, makes it easier to move up and down the neck. And it's got abalone, what they call snowflake inserts on the fretboard, which is really nice. Anyway, let's see. Not quite tuned. Had to take the strings off to do what I did. I'm used to the really big sound of the D18. If it sounds like this with these Chinese strings, good gracious, when I put the elixirs on there, I can't wait to see Jesus in His glory as He bursts from the sky. I can't wait to be held in His arms, see the glimmer in His eyes. Tell me how it's going to be, read it from the Bible again. I can't wait to see Jesus, 'cause Jesus is coming again. Anyway, thought I'd show it to you. My new Recording King RO 342.